This is a complete set of deep processing equipment for natural cocoa beans, with a capacity from 100 kg/h to 2000 kg/h. This roasting machine can realize continuous production and constant temperature control. The mesh belt is made of stainless steel 304. Cocoa beans are complete, moisture content below 3%. The temperature of cocoa beans quickly dropped below 60 degrees Celsius, with a peeling rate of over 95%. The large-sized cocoa nibs became only about 0.15 millimeters. The particle size reaches 100 meshes.